Hello, and welcome back to Microsoft PowerPoint. In this lesson, we want to discuss cropping pictures. And what cropping pictures is the art or act of removing part of a photograph or other image in order to provide a better picture or to fit a given space. Basically, what cropping is cutting out what you don't want in a picture or photograph and keeping what you want to use for your presentation. Now in cropping, we select the picture to crop. Then under your picture format tab, you click your picture format. Over to the right where it says size is where you have your cropping feature. If you click on your cropping feature, what that does is that gives you black handles around your picture or your object that you wish to crop. The simplest form of cropping is basically just to drag the handles to where you want to what you want to have removed to keep the remaining part of your picture that you want to keep. And this is what we call cropping. So we adjust it here. This is cropping. If you click off, you'll see that you have only the portion of the picture that you want to keep for your presentation. Keep in mind that the picture itself is not removed. It is just only showing the picture the portion of the picture that you want to keep. So in file size, just note that that portion is still available. If you go back, you see we still have the picture here, the whole picture here. So I'm going to go back again and again. So I want to do something different. Okay, now also what you can do when you crop, you go back up to your crop under your picture format tab, and then drop down arrow one to click on where it says shape, crop to shape. To crop to shape basically gives you a shape in which to select if you want to crop your picture according to a shape instead of just a picture. So let's go with this circle right here. And as you can see now, we have the picture in a circle or an oval instead of just the square or rectangular box of the picture. If you notice, you still have your handles here because of the size of your picture. Let's go back. I want to show him one more something. Just undo. Now, we're still under picture format. If you go to your extreme left, you'll see where it says remove background. To remove background says if you select this one, you automatically remove unwanted portions of your picture. Now what this feature does, you can detail what you want to keep, what you want to remove when you crop your picture. And so what we'll do is we click on here, and now if you notice the pink or the fuchsia area is what is going to be removed when you click off the button. Let's go here just so we can see. Now that's kind of ugly, so it's not really what I want to do. So let's undo, because I want to do it myself. Now you can do it yourself by what you do is you click on the mark area to keep. When you get your pencil will allow you to draw the area that you want to keep. So I want to keep the top of my base. And then I want to keep the base itself. So to keep the base itself, in essence, you just draw around the base. Now, some of these require a lot more work and patience. But for the sake of this one, we just want to try to do it like this and see if we can get it done simply. Let's keep over here. Now, everything that's infused is supposed to be removed. Now, because of the time that's in the patience that's required to do this one, and I don't want to take up a whole lot of time for this lesson. There. Now, as you see, I'm starting to remove the portions that I don't want in the picture. Now, in essence, what we've done is we removed the areas that we didn't want in our photograph. This is not the greatest copy. It takes a little bit of practice and time. And so as you continue moving forward with yours, I pray that you do a better job than what I've done here. But this is, in essence, what we want to do when we're cropping pictures. Keep what we want to keep, remove what we want to remove, and enhance our presentation. This is what I have for right now in cropping pictures. As you stay with us and we move forward, and then may God bless you.